Hi everyone, it's Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside here to update you on February 2024 local market update for the following zip codes. Myrtle's Inlet and Garden City at 29576, North Myrtle Beach 29582, Pawleys Island and Litchfield 29585, Conway both zip codes 29526 and 27, Loris 29569, Longs 29568, and Little River 29566. So we'll get right into it. I'm going to be changing this up a little bit more because I'm going to have slides that you can go back to so you can see where 2023 for each month, what's sold, the same as you see right here. And then you can kind of follow the trends and what happens. And that's how I'm here to help buyers and sellers understand how to really read the market and really know what's going on. I'm also going to be start sharing the mortgage rates, where it ends and where it begins every day. So if you're a buyer, you would definitely want to know that. So when you watch when the prices, the rates go down, you're going to get more bang for your buck for sure. You're going to be able to afford more. And then sellers, you're going to want to watch that because that means buyers are out there and you need to get your house on the market. So all good things coming. So let's quickly go through these and we're going to go to February right now. So February in 29566, which is Little River, is down from last month at 396,265. Average days on market went up to 141 compared to 121. So the price per square foot went down because the price went down. About the same, exactly the same month supply, really close on the same active listings. Same here, pending sales in 60, almost this exact same, except for the price went down. 29576, which is the Myrtle's Inlet and Garden City zip code, is average in February 547,833, went down quite a bit from 741,816. Average days on market 91. Real close to what it was before January. 194 is the average price per square foot. Let's see, 3.6 supply, 168 days on market, active listings, 69 pending sales, and 45 closed sales. 29582, which is North Myrtle Beach, closed down. Oh no, closed up. So it's a great time right now. If you're in North Myrtle Beach, you definitely think about selling or putting your house on the market. Great time to do it. Call me. I can share with you all my digital marketing and how I'm different. I do a lot of different things and pay for things that other agents don't. But anyways, let's go back. So 715,255 was the average. 128 days on market, 271 price per square foot. That jumped almost $30. 2.9% months of supply of inventory, 136 closings, 52 pending sales, and 48 closed. And let's see, these next two are Conway, 29526, 351, 523 is the average. And days on market 135, average price per square foot 145, 3.8. Conway always does have a little bit more, just like Loris or Little River did. 3.8 months of supply, 376 active listings. That's because they're building out there. 128 pending sales and 83 closed. The other Conway 29527. 274, 348 is their average. 132 days on market. 141 is the average price per square foot. 3.6 months of supply. 146 active listings. 43 pending. 27 sold, closed. 29568 is longs. 304, 758. That is actually down. Okay, so that's down from January. 142 days on market. 143 is the price per square foot. 4.1, that is creeping up a little bit. 200 and a lot of building going on in Longs. 274 active listings, 110 pending, 48 closed sales. 295,609 is Loris, and 276,482 is the average square selling price. The average days on market 167, 132 price per square foot, and average 4.9 inventory. So they're creeping up there. 101 active listings, 25 pending, and 25 closed sales. Last one is Pawleys Island and Litchfield. They had a great February, much larger than they did in January. 851,696 also. So the two main ones that really went up, North Myrtle Beach, Pawleys Island, great time to sell in those two areas. 105 average days on market. 229 is their average price per square foot. 2.9%. They're actually low there too, 2.9. 82 active listings, 44 pending sales, and 17. And then if you want, you can go through and just look at just your own. But if you have any questions, or if you're wondering what the interest rates are, or if you're wanting to purchase a home, you need to get pre-qualified. I have a perfect lender that guarantees up to 5 years. You can refinance absolutely free whenever you choose to, when the rates do go down. So give me a call and watch me on social media. My number is 843-222-7800. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.